It is a month of May 2025. It's been raining since morning. All the plants are fully wet. Watering won't be needed for days. As far as I can remember, we planted this tree in 2022. Now almost 4 years old. Its main root had already penetrated the ground in search of nutrients. Let me cut this one. This is our regular work on bonsai. We need to check on every plant every day. Some overgrowing branches need to be trimmed and others need proper wiring to get into shape. Let's get back into work. In the mid of a rainy day, we've got to work to reshape and repot this tree before rainy season is over. Let's the works begin. It's July 2025. Here we want to reduce the size of this bonsai. So I'm cutting all the branches, mostly from the upper part. Some wiring had to be done to recreate the shape of this bonsai.